Hi all, myself Surya Teja from Team Cyber Summarize. Now I'm going to demonstrate the step-by-step approach to build a Armani Exchange landing page using HTML CSS Bootstrap using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open the Visual Studio Code. So here I have already opened a folder Pro1. In this I have opened two files, index.html and style.css. So CSS is already typed. I'm going to type the HTML part of it. So first let's take the main HTML tag using document abbreviation and put the title as Armani Exchange Landing Page. To test whether it's working or not, we'll paste the same thing in the body and on the live server. So here we can see the HTML file is working. So now let's link the CSS file to it using link tag. So as it's in the same file, we'll put /style.css. Now let's add few font styles. So here I have imported all the font styles. Now let's import Bootstrap. So for that we'll be going to official Bootstrap website and scroll down to this include via CDN and copy this, paste it in the head tag, and then we have to take the JavaScript part of it and keep it in the last part of the body. So now let's start the code. First we'll add the header tag, keeping the name as Cyber Summarize. So I've taken the header tag and given the class name as header, and now let's take the output. So we haven't added styling to it, so we'll add styles to it now. Okay, style has been added. So on linking the CSS file, we get this output as already CSS been typed. We get the required output. So now let's type the next part of it. That is adding the logo of the Armani Exchange as well as the nav bar. So let's paste it here. So here I've added the nav bar, with six so with 10 different options, and here is the main image. This is the main nav bar part. So now let's check the output of it. So here there's the left part nav bar part and right nav bar part, and we have given these links and 5 different. These are been imported from the Bootstrap, and this is the Armani Exchange logo, and this is the nav bar. So we have added hovering effect, where on hovering on these options there will be a underline. We use text decoration property. So this is the part. Next we'll add an image and description in this. So now we'll add a division such that we add an image and description to it, and putting 2 buttons of with hovering effect. let's paste it. So these are the two buttons which are having the hovering effect, and this is the heading and the description part. This is the image which we wanted. Now let's take the output of it. So here it comes. This, so this has hovering effect. When we hover on this button, the color changes to black and text color changes to white. This is done through CSS. This is the image. Now we'll add a banner giving a quotation of this website. So for the banner, we'll be adding a image, background image, and a H1 heading and a paragraph. So let's take the output of this. So here's the output which is having heading. So this is made clickable. So we'll add the next, the footer part of it. So we add the footer part of it. Here we have added an unordered list with certain list items. Like first we have given as customer care. This is the first column of this. And this comes the second column of the footer, where we'll have shipping and returns options, and third will be given as legal areas where terms and conditions are given. This is the third column, and fourth column comes with our company, and fifth column comes with the social media links. So now let's check the output. These all are having the hovering effect, where on hovering on these options there will be a slight shift in the position. This is given to all the options, and these are the social media links. These icons have been taken from the bootstrap I tags. So these are those Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn images, LinkedIn icons taken from the I tag given in the bootstrap. So there's a photo for this. So this is the entire project. This is a simple project basically to demonstrate the land HTML and CSS bootstrap basic concepts. So here we have the navbar and hovering effect to this. This is the main heading, quotation, some description, and two buttons with hovering effect. Here's the banner and the footer part of it. So this is the entire project. Thank you so much.